Maruti Suzuki Ciaz is one of the most affordable and popular sedan in the country. Maruti Suzuki Ciaz price starts at rupees 8.51 lakh and goes up to rupees 11.49 lakh. The price of petrol version for Ciaz ranges between rupees 8.51 lakh. It is offered in 4 trims: Sigma, Delta, Zeta and Alpha. We have got you the shortlisted list of accessories for your Maruti Suzuki Ciaz, which will not only enhance its look but also keep it safeguarded. Bumper corner protector, black. Maruti Suzuki genuine accessories bumper corner protectors to safeguard your car bumper from any harm. This will cost you rupees 590. ORVM garnish, chrome. Add styles to your car exterior with wide range of Maruti Suzuki genuine accessory garnishes. This will cost you rupees 690. Door handle garnish, chrome. Add finish to car door handles with genuine accessories range of accessories. This will cost you rupees 890. Back door garnish, chrome. Add styles to your car exterior with wide range of genuine accessory garnishes. This will cost you rupees 990. Door sill card, twin color. Enter and leave your car in style. Also protect car door sills with Maruti Suzuki genuine accessories range of door sill guards. This will cost you rupees 990. Boot mat transparent. Keep your car's boot clean with range of dicky mats. This will cost you rupees 1090. Body side molding, black. Maruti Suzuki genuine accessories body side moldings to enhance your car's appearance. This will cost you rupees 1790. Window frame kit, chrome. Add styles to your car's exterior with wide range of Maruti Suzuki genuine accessories. This will cost you rupees 1990. Rear glass spoiler, snow white. Enhance the sportiness of your car with Maruti Suzuki genuine accessories range of car spoilers. This will cost you rupees 2490. And rear windshield spoiler, Nexa blue. Enhance the sportiness of your car with the range of car spoilers. Again, this will cost you rupees 2490. So guys, these are some of the shortlisted accessories for your sedan Maruti Suzuki Ciaz. Do let us know in the comment section if you want to know about any other accessories, and also do not forget to share, like and subscribe our channel Indian Drives.